Hey everyone, it's your friend Mystical Fire Master, and today I'm going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. And if you guys haven't played this game and you guys don't know what happened, they actually made an event. It was a little while ago. There are now like some things called like gifted bees, and I'm actually kind of excited about that because I've been dying to get one. And so far, I have been having terrible luck. Can I buy anything? No, of course not. I want to get the photon bee so bad. Oh my gosh, wait, what? Okay, I want to go to Cloverfield. Where's Clover? Okay, there it is. Okay, guys, I have to collect 50,000 pollen. Yeah, 50,000 pollen from Cloverfield for polar bear quests. So I'll see you guys when I'm all done with that quest. Guys, I didn't know, but when I wasn't recording, I was doing the ant challenge, and I guess I have enough, and I guess I killed enough ants to like, oh my god, wait, what? I wasn't expecting that at all. Okay, I have like a quest ready for what's his name? I always forget this guy's name. Panda Bear? I think it's Panda Bear, right? Yeah, Panda Bear. I have the quest ready for Panda Bear, and I did not know at all. And I got a free ant pass, and I received a ticket. Just one. 75,000 honey. Okay, let's see. What is the next quest?
Honey bunny.
Let's see. Defeat 15 fire ants. Oh. Well, that might be kind of tricky, to be honest with you. Because I do not really see a lot of fire ants. At all. Well, guys, this might not be fun. Oh! And I'm also done with the 50,000 pollen for the clover field. Next off is collect 120,000 pollen from bamboo field. Well, see you guys when I'm all done with it. Okay, guys, that actually took quite a while just to get all that pollen from here. I thought it wasn't gonna be like that long, but I was wrong. And now my next quest is to defeat a werewolf, and that won't spawn until like 20,000 years. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll see you guys when the werewolf spawns or when something cool happens. Okay guys, the werewolf won't spawn until like 20 minutes, so while that 20 minutes goes by, I'm gonna feed some blueberries to my Quilby. I just got my Quilby today. It took me quite a while to get it. My brother and sister messed with my account, and it took quite a little while. It took a little while to like get all my bees back, but I got them, and I'm going to while that 20 minutes goes by for that werewolf to spawn, I'm going to be doing this quest where you have to collect 250 pollen from strawberry field, 250 pollen from spider field, and I'm not looking forward to spider field at all. Spider field is like the worst field to be digging in. It's such a horrible place. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing strawberry field first because that's kind of like a decent field, but when I'm all done collecting 250 pollen from strawberry fields, this werewolf should spawn. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm all done with the quest. And of course, I'm getting killed by ladybugs. Ladybug, stop! You are not supposed to be in my lifetime. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'll be back to you guys. Okay, guys, I didn't complete the quest for strawberry field because I didn't have enough space for my container. Please ignore the crying. My sister is a little bit upset right now, so please just ignore it. Okay. But the werewolf should be Okay, guys, just ignore everything that you're hearing right now except my voice. So the werewolf should be up and ready. So I'm going to just empty my container, and I'll see you guys when we're going to go do 1v1 with the werewolf. And please ignore the other sounds except mine. Okay, guys, here I go. I am going to take on werewolf. Okay, werewolf. Wait. I thought it was more than 20 minutes by now. 3 more minutes. Out of everything, 3 more minutes. Now 2. Okay. Guys, I am a very dumb person, okay? Do not make fun of me. I'll see you in 3 minutes. Okay, guys, it has definitely been more than 2 minutes. The werewolf should be here. Let me see. Are you kidding me? It should say seconds, right? I swear, if it doesn't say seconds, this is messed up. There's not even a timer. Warning, there's not even a timer. The werewolf might come soon. Warning. Werewolf! It's supposed to be me and you, 1v1. Come on. Are you kidding me? Okay, werewolf, I'm going to be working in Strawberry Field. If you do not come when I'm all done with Strawberry Field, you are going to get wrecked real bad in the future.
So guys, I don't know what my
Guys, werewolf always sleeps in, okay? Do not judge werewolf. Werewolf is a really good person. Kind of. Guys, that's my friend. He came over a couple of minutes ago. I'm actually kind of excited he's here. I barely see him. Well, I see him a lot. It's just that I pretty much like see him like every place. Emilio, stop, Emilio. But I see Emilio I see Arthur like once a week, and me and Arthur are like pretty close. So yeah, I'm pretty excited that he's here. So So I'm going to be working at Strawberry Field, and if werewolf does not come in Strawberry Field, werewolf are gonna have consequences. I'll see you guys when we're all done with Strawberry. Okay, guys, I did the polar bear quest. I got to catch it on camera, but as you can see, polar bear, there is no like strawberry or anything. Bamboo, kill 2 werewolves. I did it. I did the quest, and now the next. Oh yay! My rage bee leveled up. Oh, that was very unexpected. So now my next quest is get 300,000 pollen from Redfield and defeat 12 scorpions, guys. I might not do that today in this video, but right now I'm working on this quest, and it's collect 35,000 pollen from the Strawberry Field. Collect 250,000 pollen from the Spider Field. Collect 35,000 pollen from the Bamboo Field. And I did strawberry and bamboo, but I'm not looking forward to strawberry. Strawberry is a very bad place to dig. I'm not looking forward to this at all. I'll see you guys when I'm all done with it. Okay, guys, I'm all done collecting 250,000 pollen from the Spider Field that took flipping forever. Again, Spider Field is a horrible field. Emilio, be quiet. Emilio, be quiet. Spiderfield is like a horrible place
I'm not telling you.
to like get pollen. Like it's like the worst place
Look at
ever.
the little eye.
Emilio.
I'm like, stop, Amelia.
Like it's like the worst place ever to be in. Like in this game, like it's literally like that bad. So if you ever think that Spiderfield is like the best field ever, you are wrong because Spiderfield is a pretty bad field. Okay, so let's get this quest. A panda bear. Oh god. Did I just call him panda bear? I meant black bear. I received 2 jellies. I think that means royal jellies,
I don't know,
right?
but I'm so big.
Let me see. Yep.
Yes. I got the whale.
And okay, what is my next quest?
Who?
Oh my gosh. Guys, it's collect 275,000 pollen from Rosefield. Collect 75,000 pollen from Pine Tree Forest. Collect 275,000 pollen from the pumpkin patch. Collect 275,000 pollen from the cactus field. Collect 275,000 pollen from the pineapple patch. Are you kidding me? Okay, guys, I'll come back to you guys when I'm all done with that quest. Guys, I couldn't be able to do the quest for some reason. My internet is not working at all, so sadly I have to end off this video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that. Emilio, stop. If you did, hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.